Hey guys, well I keep saying I'm going to make a video for you about the tour of this house. So here we go. This is the project. Now the idea here is that I'm going to have you follow me along for this. So you can see so far I've done some framing, some flooring. I've also done some foundational work, some structural work. This place needed a lot of work. Still does actually. You can see we've got the drywall up right now. And I'm gonna be wrapping up the bathroom soon, but I thought about making a video for you about how these drain lines work, how the PEX works, how you're supposed to tie in the electrical. For example, you need a dedicated line for your outlet that's near the wash basin. You need fire stop. Anyway, all kinds of stuff. I put some insulation here too. That's just actually so you can keep the privacy while you're taking a poop. And then here we got the bathroom. Here we've got the bedroom and a little walk-in closet. The house is not very big. It's about 690 square feet, something like that. Here we've got the backyard. Got a little stream back there. That's part of the reason we bought this house. Now the idea here is I'm going to be making this house, honoring the 1912 kind of aesthetic of it. So a lot of Art Deco stuff and just a lot of kind of 1920s, 1930s cachet. I've got my little excavator back here. I'm going to be firing that bad boy up later this week. I got to break apart the driveway. And then once that driveway is gone, I have to access the water main. I'm going to be getting a permit for that later. But the original lines are all galvanized, so that's going to have to change. This is the outside. Now I actually am going to be restoring these windows, believe it or not. That's going to be, I think I'm going to strip them down. If the wood's too rotted, I might rebuild some of it. But I think I'm going to want to just try and keep as much of the original house as possible. This siding is going to have to go, unfortunately. This is going to turn into a new front door. Then you can see the panel's already in pretty good shape. At some point I can show you guys how to replace breakers if that's something you're interested in. And whatever else you want to know. You know, this little journey of mine here, it's gonna have a lot of ups and downs. It's gonna have a lot of videos that I show you where to do some electrical, do some plumbing, do some framing. Just all stuff I wish people would have taught me, but you know, part of the fun I guess is learning about it. So if that's something you're interested in, you want to follow me along for this journey, I'd appreciate it. Subscribe, and if you got any videos you want me to make specifically about this house or about questions that you have, let me know. All right, see ya.